Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate network scanning to discover live hosts in Python. We are going to use a scapy library. We are going to import scapy from scapy all import arp ether srp. Scapy, this is powerful Python library, is used for packet manipulation and network scanning. ARP is the address resolution protocol used to map IP addresses to MAC addresses. And Ether, uh, this represents Ethernet frames. It is used to construct Ethernet packets. SRP, this function sends and receives packets at the link layer, layer 2. It is useful for sending ARP requests. Now we are going to define a function, network scan, pass in a target IP. This function takes a target IP or subnet as an argument to scan the network for active hosts. Next, creating a ARP request. This creates an ARP request packet. The PDST parameter specifies the target IP address or subnet to scan. So this, for example, you can do like 192.168.1.1 This scans the entire subnet. Now we are going to create Ethernet frame. This creates an Ethernet frame with the destination MAC address, which is a broadcast address. This means the ARP request will be sent to all devices on the local network. Constructing the packet. Combines the Ethernet frame and the ARP request into a single packet. This packet will be sent to the network. Sending the packet and receiving response now. Sends the constructed packet on the network and waits for response. Timeout set to 2, sets a timeout of 2 seconds for waiting for response. And the verbose set to false suppresses detailed output. The function returns a tuple where the first elements at index 0 contain the responses received. And now we are going to parse the response. This initializes an empty list to store the IP addresses of live hosts. The for loops iterates through the results. Sent represents the send packet. Received represents the response packet from a live host. And we are going to this one need to be fixed. Result the spelling mistake here. And now we are going to do live host pin received. So the live host initializes an empty list to store the IP addresses of live hosts. The for loop iterates through the results, and the send represent the send packet. Received represent the response packet from a live host, and the received PSRC extracts the source IP address from the response, the IP of the responding device. Now returning the list of live hosts. And now our main. You can adjust your network. We are going to set the target IP. So this sets the target IP range for the scan. You can adjust this to match your network. Next, we are going to call the network scan function with the specified IP range. So let's see, is there any issue here? Seems to be okay. Needed space of brief. Now it is fixed. And we are going to call network scan. target IP. And we need to print the list of live hosts found on the network. So let's do that. Now we are going to print live hosts in the network for host in host print host. Now we can run our code. And live hosts in the network. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.